cooking is just one of the things that we're doing to give kids confidence, help them learn a bunch of skills. That little seed that might get planted, when they grow up, they're going to think back to maybe this day and this program and say, that's what got me thinking about being a chef, or learning to work in a restaurant, or owning a restaurant. Who knows?
I think these experiences are important for the kids because one, cooking is definitely a life skill that all of us should have. It's a passion of mine, but sharing that passion with the kids I think is definitely a huge impact for me and definitely onto the kids themselves, and for them to learn different flavors and cuisines from around the world. If it's cooking techniques, flavor profiles, you name it, there's so much that can really be brought together in the next door social kitchen.
100% charitable organization. So we depend on the generosity of donors and granting organizations and special people like the Leggat family to support Art House. It really means a lot to us. It helps us with our success. It helps us remain confident about the kind of future we're looking for. But also we want to make sure that these kids keep coming back week after week, because we think that being with them over the long haul is just the best thing that can happen for them.